What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and now I'm making videos, daily vlogs of the ups and downs in business and on the road to $30,000 a month. Every single day I will make a video until that happens. So in saying so, or say almost every single day, sorry, I know I'm gonna get comments down below. Nick, you missed 2 days last week. Nick, you missed a day last week. I need to take breaks, but I do work most of the time every single day, so don't comment that. Okay, anyways, I'm starting late. It is 1:39. I still haven't gone surfing yet, but I just got my board back. I just repaired it professionally, so it is ready to rip. I am so pumped. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to let you guys know I've announced it on my Instagram. I am doing a giveaway on these hats, any color that you would like. I am giving entries away. So go to my Instagram, I will put it in the link in the description, or you can go to my website and my link to my Instagram will be there for a free hat. All the details will be below on the Instagram story. So I will be doing that if you want a free hat. I am also gonna be doing customer orders today, and that's gonna be it. It's gonna be a short day. I'm gonna go surf. I wanna go see my buddy I haven't seen in a few weeks. And tomorrow will be maybe probably a little busier because I'll do an FBA shipment, but we will get to that tomorrow. But anyways, enjoy the video. I will see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I'm so tired. Orders are done. As you can see, I got them out. So over here, we have the orders. Like I said again, if you guys are interested in getting a free Coastal Cowboys hat, link will be in the description to the detail page so you can join the giveaway. So I will see you all tomorrow, but let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, guys, so we made $40 on our Coastal Cowboy Shopify account yesterday from a hat sale. We made $53.46 on eBay yesterday. We made $237.55 yesterday on Amazon. So now we are at a total of $331 in yesterday's income and revenue. So we are now at $5,117. So I would say we're doing better than last month by a couple $1,000s, which is good. At this rate, we could be over $15,000, which would be great, but we want to be in the 30 range. So we will be hoping to hit that this month, but we cannot promise these things because we do not know. But thank you so much for watching, and especially people that have been here for so long. Like, you know, these videos like are difficult to make sometimes, and also like just thank you so much for being here, like, and just enjoying my videos and being like very kind in the comment section. So I really appreciate that. Anyone new here, welcome. I hope you stay. And so if you do love these videos, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So please subscribe down below if you are interested in watching those. And also, if you did enjoy this video, regardless, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more people like you can find my videos. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.